I'm the Artsy Crafter. You can find me on Teachers Pay Teachers or TES. Today I want to show you these interactive worksheets I have created using Google Slides. It's called Create It, Then Count It. There are 15 slides in total. I love this activity. Your students are going to have so much fun. Now it's interactive because there's either a text box where your students can type right on the sheets, or there are movable objects. They're all set up exactly the same way. Let me show you. So this first one, it's create an orchard. So look, I've left a number of little apples, reds, greens, some ants. So the students take the objects and they just drag them into place. So they go through and move the things around. They create their little picture, and then they can count how many red apples there are and so on. So once they get them all in place, okay? And there's text boxes there. How many? So a different example. So they just count and put the answers in the box provided. The second one, create a shopping list. So it's the exact same thing. We add some fish to our shopping list. And then we add some milk and some carrots and so on. And then we count them. And then here are some different addition questions up to the number 10. Here we're going to create a breakfast scene. So we can add our strawberries and our toast and our eggs and the juice to the plate and then count it, and again, more addition questions. Create a toy shelf, subtraction questions this time. Add bubbles when we create bath time and some little rubber duckies. And then again, the students count how many they have, more subtraction questions. Then we're going to go camping. We'll add some stars, and who doesn't like a nice bug flying around your tent? Put the little moon up in the sky, and so on. We create the scene, different addition and subtraction set up differently this time. Create a music room, music notes, instruments, and so on. An ocean scene with fish and a boat and a little octopus. Oh, I forgot to show you. In here we're counting by one. So 1, 2, 3, and they would type in the numbers there, okay? 94, 95, and so on. This one, create a garden. So we plant all our flowers and veg, put a few bees flying around, and then we count by tens, 0, 10, and the students type in 30, 40, 50, and so on. So do you see how fun they are? I just love, love, love this exercise. Create a birthday party. This time you're going to put check marks beside the number that's greatest, which is bigger, 10 or 8. So they just grab the check mark and put it in place. Which is smaller, 15 or 16, and same thing, grab a check mark. This one we're going to make pizza. So I've left mushrooms and green peppers and some pepperoni. So they make the pizza, and then it says match the pictures with the numbers. So I've given numbers down here. So they would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, find the number 8 and drag it into place. Ice cream cones. I won't go through every little thing here, but same thing. Make some ice cream cones, and then here are some statements, and then the students would write, in this case, 6 plus 5 equals 11. Who doesn't like a good Halloween scary scene? So same thing, make the scene, and then do the subtraction question. And finally, create the love of reading. So here I've made a bookshelf, and you can add books and hearts and so on. And then this time they're going to write a statement for each. So this says 3 minus 3 equals 0, and so on. To see how much fun it is, I love it. Students can be creative and practice their math and their counting at the same time. Thanks for stopping by.